Here in iFern Mercedes-Benz Club, it's a collaboration of learning, earning, and playing. That's why we are having golfing.
Mercedes-Benz Club, palong na kami! Morning, right now kasama ko ang Mercedes-Benz Club na nag-e-enjoy ngayon, kaya kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa iFern, Sir Tom and mga Madam Kim. Thank you so much po.
I'm so proud to be part of the Mercedes-Benz Club. Nakita mo naman ang saya ng family namin dito. Grabe tong negosyo na to. Kaya kayo, ano pa yung hinihintay nyo? Join us!
iFern Mercedes-Benz Club! Thank you, Sir Tom and Mama Tam Kim! In my medical practice of almost 20 years, never in my dream that I will own E-Class Mercedes-Benz. Kayo po ay sumali sa amin, sa iFern, to change your lives and have your wildest dreams come true. Thank you, iFern. Thank you, Mama Dam Kim and Sir Tom, for this opportunity.
Inaanyayahan po namin kayo maging bahagi ng iFern Mercedes-Benz Club. Sobrang saya. Sobrang ganda. Mababago ang ating buhay. Gagawin po natin ang pinakamadali sa lahat ng mahirap. It's a beautiful life.
Kakatapos lang ng event namin dito sa Royal Ace Driving Range. And nag-konting event kami, nag-golf kami, nag-mentoring kami, nag-bonding kami with other of the Mercedes-Benz Club members, which is sobrang nakakatuwa. And that is through iFern. Maraming salamat, Sir Tomanitan and Mama Dam Kim, for this opportunity. Kaya kung ikaw, naghahanap ka ng negosyo na sigurado, legit, and of course, kikita ka ng malaki at marami ka pang makakasama at makakatulong, dito lang po yan sa iFern.